China's CR500 Golden Eagle reconnaissance and attack unmanned helicopter clears for export. The name of the international customer was not revealed nor the number of drones contracted. Pakistan is believed to be the export customer for this system, as it has recently inducted Chinese-made VT-4 battle tanks, and CR500 has been designed to work with this type of tank as a target spotter and to guide its fire. For attacking targets, 4 Blue Arrow 9 guided missiles could be mounted on each of its side pylons. When not mounted with missiles, it can be used for cargo delivery. The drone can conduct reconnaissance, communications relay and battle damage assessment missions. It can work as a target spotter and guide the fire of tanks, infantry fighting vehicles and self-propelled artillery.